Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Stuff Simplified, where tech and freelancing is explained in a simple way, easy peasy. Binance had suddenly stopped Wise P2P transactions without giving us a heads up. This came as a shocker to many of us who rely on it to exchange money, especially me. But you don't have to worry about that anymore because I've got the perfect alternative to Binance. You might as well kick Binance to the curb because the ultimate replacement for Binance that I'll be sharing with you in this video is a complete game changer. It's a legit crypto exchange platform that works seamlessly for crypto transactions, especially when it comes to Wise P2P or peer-to-peer. In fact, this Binance alternative that I'm about to share with you is currently the best out there, so make sure you don't miss any part of this video. The sudden removal of Wise as a payment method on Binance hit many of us hard as freelancers. It was not just a shocker, but also a sad experience for me, considering the fact that I had always relied on Binance for its attractive exchange rates. With Wise no longer available on the Binance platform, I found myself researching and exploring the best alternative. So I began searching for a legitimate alternative to convert my Wise funds into local currency. The challenge was significant, particularly because many exchanges didn't match the attractive rates Binance provided. For Nigerians like me, options like GigPay weren't even viable, and I'll tell you about that in future videos. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for updates. Moving forward, this Binance situation prompted me to embark on a quest to find a cryptocurrency platform that could compete with Binance's convenience and juicy rates. After thorough research, my discovery was nothing short of a revelation, as I discovered the best crypto platform right now, which is not other than, drum rolls please, Bybit. Yeah, Bybit. Bybit became the solution I had been searching for as the perfect alternative to Binance. It's not just a good cryptocurrency platform, it's the best out there, and I regret not stumbling upon it sooner. The seamless experience and competitive rate that I've made it my new go-to platform, ensuring that I'm able to get the most value for my freelance earnings. When I discovered that Bybit has been operating since 2018, just a year after Binance launch, it's added an extra layer of regret for not finding it sooner amid the Binance Wise P2P issue. With over 20 million users currently, I think Bybit's potential to surpass Binance in the future is not just a possibility, but a promising reality, provided they maintain the quality service and competitive exchange rates. In my personal experience, using Bybit for fund exchange via the Wise P2P payment method has been nothing short of seamless and transparent. It has quickly become my crypto exchanger, offering a reliable alternative to the void left by Binance removal of Wise. As you can see, this is my Binance account P2P interface via my mobile phone. If you input Wise in the payment method chat button, it will show no search result found. And with the controversy surrounding Binance lately, from the CEO stepping down to the billions of dollars that have been fined by the US, a lot has been going on with the company that makes trading with them more complicated than ever before. This makes Bybit the perfect Binance alternative for crypto exchange. This is how the Bybit app interface looks once you register, download the app, log in, and verify your account. You can verify with your BVN, national ID, international passport, driver's license, or resident permits. It's only after you verified your account that you can be allowed to trade and engage in P2P transactions. And I think the interface is pretty much similar to that of Binance, but with slight difference. However, I find the Bybit interface to be easier to use. So if you've been using Binance for P2P transaction before, I think you will easily get a hang of Bybit. And when it comes to P2P transactions on Bybit, you can click on deposit here and it will take you to the P2P interface that looks like this. Then enter Wise as your payment method. And as you can see, Wise is very much available on Bybit. Perfect. And if you're interested in exploring Bybit and enjoying the convenience of Wise P2P transaction, Simply click on the link in the description box below to get started. And I must emphasize that this video is not sponsored by anyone or Bybit. It's simply my honest review of the platform, reflecting my usage and how well it has served me so far. I hope this helps other people out there, especially freelancers who are seeking a reliable way to exchange their money with the best exchange rate. In the next video, I'll provide a more comprehensive introduction to Bybit by walking you through the process of executing seamless Wise P2P transactions on the platform. So make sure you stay tuned to Tech Stuff Simplified by subscribing to this channel. Feel free to like and share this video with others who might find this information valuable. And if you have any questions or topics about technology or AI you want me to cover in future videos, kindly share them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Until our next encounter, keep making the most of technology positively. Bye for now.